You've just told your child, there's a baby on the way. And instead of excitement, they look confused, maybe even upset. Here's what many parents miss. The day your new baby is born, your first child is born into something else too. Big siblinghood. And without preparation, that transition can feel like losing their entire world. But don't worry. This step-by-step guide will help you prepare your child in a way that makes them feel secure, included, and loved more than ever. Lesson 1. Understanding what's really going on. The arrival of a sibling is not just a change, it's a complete shift in identity. To your child, this can feel like competition. Suddenly, their routines, their space, even your attention are being shared. Psychologically, young children often feel replaced, confused by the excitement around someone they haven't even met, unsure about what their new role is. And here's the truth. The way you frame this transition now will shape how your child bonds with their sibling for years to come. Lesson 2. Step-by-step guide to prepare them right. Step 1. Involve them early. Start talking about the baby before they arrive. Let your child help pick out clothes, choose baby books, or even set up the crib. The goal? Ownership over the transition. This isn't just your baby, it's their baby sibling too. Step 2. Validate their feelings. Don't rush past their emotions. If your child says, "I don't want a baby," say something like, "That's okay. Big changes feel weird sometimes." Naming their feelings makes them feel safe and heard. Step 3. Reinforce their special role. Tell your child how important their role is. Say, "You're going to be the best big brother, sister. This baby is lucky to have you." Give them jobs like handing you wipes or choosing lullabies. This shifts their mindset from being replaced to being promoted. Step 4. Keep one-on-one time sacred. Even after the baby arrives, protect pockets of undivided attention. This reminds your child, you still matter. Even 10 minutes a day of play, reading, or cuddle time goes a long way. Step 5. Use books and stories. There are amazing storybooks that explain this transition through characters. It helps kids understand feelings and see positive examples of sibling bonding. We've linked a few favorites in the description. If this is helping so far, hit that like button so more parents can feel supported. And comment below. What's your biggest concern about bringing a new sibling into the family? Lesson 3. What not to do. Let's talk about a few common mistakes to avoid. Don't compare siblings. Even jokingly saying, "You were such a quiet baby," can plant resentment. Don't ignore behavioral changes. Regression like potty accidents or clinginess is your child's way of saying, "I need help adjusting." Don't force bonding. Saying, "Give the baby a hug," or "You love them, right?" can feel like pressure. Instead, focus on natural, gentle interactions. Let the relationship grow like a seed, not a sprint. Lesson 4. Long-term mindset. Your first child's world is changing. But with your guidance, they won't just adjust, they'll thrive. They'll learn empathy, patience, and they'll gain a lifelong friend. But it starts with you making space for their feelings, keeping them close, and inviting them into this beautiful new chapter. You don't have to be a perfect parent, just a present one. Your child doesn't need you to get it all right. They just need to know they haven't lost you. They've gained someone new with you right beside them. Subscribe for more parenting tools that actually work. And let us know what's one thing you'll try this week to prepare your child for their new sibling. Because every small moment now makes a big difference later.